Okay, Gary, we are going to get started. Very nice dial. Okay, 8.5 on your dial and 8.6 on your case back, which is exactly perfect. You can see the wear here from your arbor port wear. Some minor damage here. Okay, that is the movement disassembled and ready to be hand cleaned. All the pivots and jewels and everything. We'll get a good once over by hand. We'll jewel this arbor port here and the corresponding one in your main in your train bridge, and then we'll be back after we've put it through the cleaning machine. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, Gary, we're ready to get started with reassembly, so let's get going. Okay, well, that's movement running. Let's go check our work and see how it's doing. Okay, well, straight away, looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and work on your rate here a little bit. Okay. Well, this is one of those ones that just has the potential to run extremely well, and it meets and beats all expectations. I mean, wow. This is a great one. This is perfect. Exactly where we want to be. Okay, well, I think that's service successful, at least on this part. We're going to continue on with the calendar side after this runs in a little bit. But yeah, this is really great. This is perfect. Okay, we'll be back with more. Okay, well, that is your movement reconstructed. I'm going to go ahead and put the dial and hands back on, and we'll be back in the case in just a few moments. All right, we'll be back. And there it is. Your 1978 6309 7049, looking really great. These have such a unique set of features that kind of distinguish them from the rest, in my opinion. They have this buttery dial loom, but this really, really bone white hand loom. And some may think, well, that's, they've been reloomed or changed, but no, that's how these look. They have that yellowish dial and those really strikingly white hands, and there's a real distinction. The camera may not pick it up as well as it should, but it's there, and this one has it. It's very nice to see. Came out fantastic. As you saw, the numbers were really spectacularly good. It's been consistent now for quite a few hours, and it's just a stunner. It's a great little watch that is chugging along super clean, very well. We can go through all the functions here. I'm going to click over the day and the date. Let's go through 24 hours again. Get a nice solid crown feel. It's nice and tight with your new crown seal. So it's doing its job properly. I'm going to go through. There we go. And there we have it. All right. Let's let that go all the way back around. Okay. So, not much really to report. The movement took to service extremely well. It definitely needed to have its parts and pieces replaced. It was a little tired, but not bad, as we saw. We got new seals everywhere, new crown seal. You got a new crystal, new bezel seal, and that's really it. You have your bushing in your upper mainspring upper port has now been replaced with a jewel, so that will come back with you. Everything else, though, is quite good. I'm gonna let you decide what you want to do with your band. Of course, this will come home, whether you want it on the watch or you want me to just leave it aside so you can put a new one on. There are good aftermarket examples that you can find, but I'll make sure that, of course, that comes home with the watch. So it's complete and as it's supposed to be. Okay, well, that is the service. That is the finished product. Just kind of take you through your day and date changeover here. Make sure that's doing its job as it should, which is exactly what it should be doing here. Today is the 29th. And it is a Monday. All right, well, Gary, thank you again. Thank you so much for trusting me with your beautiful watch. I really appreciate it. And I'll be in touch, and thanks for watching.